0. Then what?
1 0.
1 0.
832-2010.
Why did your phone keep going like unlock and then lock? 832.
Now just press send. It should still be there on the.
It is. Okay, then what?
Hit send, Kaitlyn. To like call, you know, the green button.
I'm so scared. Send.
Is it ringing at least?
Yeah. Come on. Hi, I was just wondering if you have the mini blizzards. How much are they? Okay, do they come with a mini spoon? Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Bye.
Oh! Oh, okay. And they come with a mini spoon.
Do they?
No.
What did he say?
They say, I asked them, do they come with a mini spoon? And he was like, no, they come with a normal size spoon. And I was like, oh, okay. And then he was like, they do not come with any special spoon.
There's no special promotion. And how much do they cost?
$2.50 plus tax. No, including tax.
$2.50 including tax. It's a ripoff.
Oh.
Yeah, except you said you'd buy me one, you know, if I did this. So, got myself a bargain here.
Yep, that's a bargain. Say goodbye.
Bye.